Hello, today we are making crispy chicken burritos. They are so yummy and delicious and I can't wait to get started. Everything that you will be needing to make crispy chicken burritos: flour tortillas, cream cheese, salsa, canola oil, garlic salt, tongs and a flat pan, chicken. So I have my chicken here. I put it in the crock pot last night so it would be ready by today. That's one thing I like about the crock pot is I just put it in here, left it overnight, and it was ready in the morning to start making this chicken crispy burritos. You can grill some chicken breast on the stove, you can boil it, you can buy a roasted chicken from the grocery store, whatever works for you. I just like how tender this is. You want your chicken to be warm and you want to shred it. Now that your chicken is shredded, you're going to add your cream cheese. Now you're going to want to add your garlic salt. And you're going to want to mix it. You want to make sure that your chicken is warm so it softens the cream cheese. Okay, now that we've added those ingredients, we're going to add our salsa. Only add a little bit at a time so you can do it to your liking. Now you can give it a try and see if you like the flavor. It's good. Okay, now that we have everything ready, our shredded chicken with all of our ingredients, our flour tortillas, and a container on the side, we're gonna take a little bit of the chicken mixture and add it to our tortillas. And you're gonna roll it up. Now that our burritos are prepared, we need to put canola oil in our pan and put it on high heat. Now that the oil is hot, be very careful, and you want to put the open side of the burrito down. Now they've been cooking for a moment, you want to just flip them over on their side and toast every side of the burrito. Flip them again. Now add them to a plate with a paper towel. Okay, now that these have cooled, let's give them a try. So good. Delicious. So good.